Hello and welcome, dear students, to our YouTube channel Kalyani Education. Today we will know about the deleted subject or a syllabus of CBSE Class 10. Subject will be Science. We will note down every chapter, topic, and page number, as well as you should ready with your textbook and pen to cross the topics. So let's start the video. This is the preface or contents of your textbook Science. From first unit, CBSE has deleted chemical behavior, metals and non-metals, second basic metallurgy process and corrosion and its prevention. These topics have been deleted from your syllabus 2020 and 21 session of class 10th. It is from your chapter 3, topic 3.4, 3.5 from page number 49 to 54. In the same unit from other chapters, some topics like carbon and its compounds, nomenclature of carbon, compounds containing functional group, halogen, alcohol, ketones, aldehydes, alkenes, and alkynes. Difference between saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Besides this, chemical properties of carbon compounds, combustion, oxidation, addition, substitution reaction, ethanol and ethanoic acid, only properties and uses delete किए गए हैं, soaps and detergents. These chapters lies in your textbook in chapter 4 and topic from 4.2.5, 4.3, 4.4 from page number 67 to 76. Under Unit 2nd, topics are World of Living Control and Coordination in Animals and Plants, Tropic Movements in Plant, Introduction of Plant, Hormones, Control and Coordination in Animal Nervous System, Voluntary, Involuntary and Reflex Action, Chemical Coordination, Animal Hormones, and second topic Heredity and Evolution, Basic Concepts of Evolution. Both are from different chapters. First one is from chapter 7th and second from chapter 9. Chapter 7 has been almost completely deleted, and chapter 9, the topics are 9.2 and 9.3, page number 114 to 126 for chapter 7, and for chapter 9, page number 143 to 149. You can mark these chapter and make the cross on them. From the unit 3rd, natural phenomena, the human eye and the colorful world, functioning of a lens in human eye, defects of vision and their corrections, applications of spherical mirror and lenses. These are the topics from chapter 11 and topic number 11.1 and 11.2 from page number 187 to 119. Mark cross on them. From Unit 4, Effects of Current, Magnetic Effects of Electric Current, Electric Generator, Direct Current, Alternating Current, Frequency of AC, Advantage of AC over DC, Domestic Electric Circuits. These are the topics from the chapter 13 and topic number 13.6 to 13.7 from page number 236 to 238. You can delete them. From Unit 5, the topics are natural resources of energy, different form of energy, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy. These are from 14 and almost complete chapter has been deleted. Topic 14.1, 14.2, 14.3 and 14.4 from page number 242 to 255. Besides these, some practicals also have been deleted. The first one, finding the pH of the following samples by using pH paper universal indicator. First, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute NaOH solution, dilute ethanoic acid solution. Next, lemon juice, another one water, and dilute hydrogen carbonate solution. Second practical, determination of the equivalent resistance of two resistors when connected in a series and parallel. Third one, preparing a temporary amount of a leaf peel to show stomata. Fourth, study of the following properties of acetic acid, ethanoic acid, odor, solubility in water, effects on litmus, reactions with the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Fifth is study of the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water. And sixth is finding the image distance for varying object distances in cases of convex lens, and drawing corresponding ray diagram to show the nature of image formed. And last one, identification of the different parts of an embryo of a dicot seed. It may be pea, gram, or red kidney bean. CBSE has been also deleted your some topics from your internal assessment, that is management of natural resources, conservation and judicious use of natural resources. Next, forest and wildlife, coal and petroleum conservation, examples of people's participation in the conservation of natural resources, big dams, advantages and limitations, alternatives if any, water harvesting, sustainability of nature resources. These are internal assessment. Note down in your textbook or your notebook on the front page so that you can remember this. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you so much.